know, if you come over to something like this and you see, in our class at home we call them the A riders, the semi-pro guys, if those guys are coming into here just balls to the wall and they're slamming this wall and this wall's not moving, then you need to be able to trust that you can come up against this wall and hit it super, super, super hard.
I saw Connor and the other boys right from the beginning. You could see that they were very hesitant. They typically want to push themselves. But after the first few sessions with Coach Robb, you could see their confidence level went through the roof. They were really trying. They really put 100% in, and I can say that it's paid off 100%. It's been probably one of the best training programs that we've done ever.
I like most about the workshop being improving my lap times and getting the nutrition dialed and all that. Coach Robb really knows his stuff, and I enjoyed him teaching us. It was good.
Higher, and immediately she's going to feel it right here. And that's going to engage that shoulder joint that you guys are going to be using in that push-pull position.
It wasn't just bike skills, but there was tons of bike skills, but mindset, there was nutrition, there was loads of information, and Coach Robb was really, really good on explaining it all. Not only did he tell you that you had to do it, but he told you why you did it. I just really enjoyed the whole thing. I think it's really good money for value. You learn a lot. We spent three hard days on the track, and we had an absolute ball, and I just feel like we're going away much better riders.